Best Female Dancehall and Reggae Artists. Since the birth of reggae in the 1960s, it has become a worldwide sensation. It has introduced the world to the likes of Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and other talented artists. Usually, we speak about men in discussions about reggae. However, many female reggae artists have contributed to its development. In this video, Elite Jamaica will take a look at some of these talented female artists. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that blue bell icon, so that you never miss any of my updates. Number 11. Queen Ifrica. Queen Ifrica is a true gem. Reggae's classical era influences her style. She is true to her craft and stayed clear of slackness and violence in her songs. Queen Ifrica always has a positive message in her lyrics and holds firm to her core belief as a Rastafarian. She represents strong, beautiful black women. Ifrica is a voice for people empowerment and women's rights. She brings pressing issues to the table such as child abuse in her song Daddy. In her song Black Woman, she speaks about women's issues and for black women's issues and for black women to hold their heads up. Her song Times Like These speak about the injustice in Jamaica, such as poverty, violence, and mismanagement in the government. She is an active community leader. Ifrica is involved in several outreach programs for children in Jamaica's inner city and charity shows where she donates to the cause. We need more artists like Queen Ifrica who are not afraid to speak about injustices in the world, especially towards women. Number 10. Tessanne Chin. We recognize Tessanne for winning season 5 of the singing competition The Voice. However, she already had a successful career in Jamaica prior to the competition. She led the rock reggae group Mile High and later toured the globe with the legendary Jimmy Cliff. In 2007, her hit Secret Hideaway launched her solo career. Tessanne went on to have a series of hits such as Messenger, Never Letting Go with Shaggy, and Loving You with Kes, just to name a few. Music runs in her blood. Her mother used to sing and play the trumpet with the Carnations. Her father was the drummer in the same band, and later went on to build his own recording studio. Tessanne's sister, Tania Chin, is also a well-known recording artist, currently married to Wayne Marshall. Tessanne Chin has mixed ethnicity. Her father is Chinese and Cherokee American, and her mother is black Jamaican and white English. It is no doubt that The Voice propelled her career. She released her first album for the Republic labeled Count on My Love in July 2014 after the competition. Tessanne brings something unique to reggae. Her style is traditional reggae fused with rock. Number 9. Dancehall artist Cecile. Badgal Cecile is one of the most beautiful female reggae artists. She is also one of the most successful. She has worked with elite artists including Trina, Shaggy, Timberland, Florida, Beanie Man, Elephant Man, Sean Paul, Gavin Rasdale, Chronix, and Nina Sky. Cecile is lyrical and has a diverse catalogue and has one of the best voices in dancehall. Her single Gold Dust with DJ Fresh in 2010 peaked at number 24 on the UK singles chart. It also reached number 39 on the Irish singles charts. The sale of all versions of Gold Dust combined together enabled it to have sold in excess of 400,000 copies, thus receiving a gold certification despite never reaching the top 20 of the UK singles charts. Her most recent tracks include songs such as Delete You, Boomwalk, and Since You. Cecile continues to produce quality music since her debut in the late 90s. This shows her longevity. Number 8. Shanna McKenzie, also known as Itana. Itana whose real name is Shanna McKenzie, was born in Kingston, Jamaica. Her name means strong one in Swahili and dedication in Hebrew. Her career started when she joined the R&B group called The Gift. However, she left the group as she did not like the lingerie and skimpy clothing they had to wear at their first video shoot. At the time, she was in Florida and so returned to Jamaica. In Jamaica, she joined Richie Spice's group as a backup singer. She released her first track in 2007 entitled Wrong Address with some other members of Richie Spice's group. The song quickly rose to number 1 on the Jamaican charts. The track landed on Etana's debut in 2008 VP Records release, The Strong One, which also features the hits I Am Not Afraid and The Roots. Etana produces socially conscious music and highlights the difficulties faced by the impoverished members of society. Some of her hits include Trigger, People Talk, Richest Girl, Love Song, Happy Heart, and Crazy. Number 7. Tania Stevens. Vivienne Tania Stevenson, also known as Tania Stevens, was born in St. Mary, Jamaica. Tania Stevens is one of the most lyrical female artists in dancehall. She had her big bad break on the Joyride rhythm with a song called You Not Ready For This Yet. Her hits span over decades, including songs like Big Ninja Bike, Draw My Finger, Damn You, These Streets, and Unapologetic. Tania is very witty in writing her songs, and you can see the intelligence in her song structure. In her song, These Streets, she used a lot of literary devices, telling her man she wants to be treated like his gun and other inanimate objects. She is versatile and can approach any topic successfully. Number 6. Grace LaToya Hamilton. Spice. Spice is the full package when it comes to a female reggae artist. She is beautiful, has charisma, excellent live performances, produces great music, and is an innovator. I can say without dispute that Spice is the current queen of dancehall music. From her major hit with Vybz Kartel, Ramping Shop in 2009, Spice has never slowed down. In 2014, she released her EP with VP Records, Some Like It. That spawned a hit single of the same name. The EP debuted at number 14 on the Billboard Top Reggae Album charts. Spice has done songs with artists such as Busta Rhymes, A$AP, Ferry, and Bunji Garlin, just to name a few. She also received an award for Best Female Dancehall Artist at the 35th Annual International Reggae and World Music Awards. The choreography of Spice's dancers during her live performances is something to behold. To be honest, I have never seen a female dancehall artist have such stage performances like hers. We recognize Jamaican women's ability to dance, however, Spice takes it to another level. When we speak about current female dancehall reggae icons, Spice's name has to be in the conversation. Spice is one of the best female dancehall artists of this generation. She is currently on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, we believe to gain more recognition on the international market. Number 5. Shenseea. Shenseea, born Shinseea Lee, is a Jamaican female reggae artist. She is one of the newest members to the dancehall arena, but is already making huge waves in the music industry. At the beginning of 2016, Shenseea recorded her debut single, Jiggle Jiggle, that quickly became a hit. Shortly afterwards, she approached to work with Vybz Kartel on a track entitled The Ludi, which became a massive hit in Jamaica. Shenseea has since released many hits such as Nothing Them Not Have Over Me, Tell Me, Wine, Badish, and Hard Drive. All of these tracks rack up huge views on YouTube, which shows her popularity. She has done a lot in merely 2 years of being on the scene. She is one of the most beautiful female reggae dancehall artists, but she is also one of the most lyrical. Shenseea is also in a list of beautiful Caribbean female singers. She uses many similes in her songs and is more complex in her lyrics. I believe through her lyrical ability, image, and charisma, she will be in the industry for many years to come. Number 4. Natalia Simit, Ishana. Ishana grew up between Seaview, Jamaica and Brooklyn, New York. She is the daughter of singer and dancehall artist Don Angelo. In 2006, Bounty Killer took her under his wings after he saw her performing at the Asylum nightclub. He believed so much in her talent that he made her part of his crew, the Alliance. In 2008, she had 3 hits, one with DeMarco, For You, and 2 tracks with Elephant Man that propelled her career. Ishana has recorded songs with American rapper Safari. She also has hits including Vroom Vroom, Ooh La La, Slippery When Wet, and Equal Rights and Justice. Ishana has a soft, smooth voice with hardcore lyrics behind it. She also displays her versatility abilities in many of her tracks. A lot of her music is sexually charged, and she uses a lot of metaphors and similes in her lyrics. Number 3. Lady Saw. You cannot speak about female reggae or dancehall artists and not mention Lady Saw. She is a true icon in dancehall. Lady Saw, whose real name is Marian Hall, is a real legend. She had the undisputed title of Queen of the Dancehall until she retired from dancehall music in 2015. Marian Hall signed to the Jamaican grassroots label VP Records and debuted in 1994 with Lover Girl. Lady Saw later teamed up with Shabba Ranks to produce the song Want It Tonight. She then in 1997 produced 2 X-rated songs, one with Shaggy, Mr. Lover Lover and Beenie Man Ealing. Her hits span over 2 decades, such as Sycamore Tree, Woman We Name, Ice It Up, Man Is The Least, Chat To Me Back, and I've Got Your Man. Lady Saw won a Grammy Award in 2004 for Underneath It, alongside No Doubt for Best Pop Performance by a Duo or Group. Lady Saw is the first female DJ to win a Grammy and certified as a triple platinum artist. She has had 24 years of success in the music industry, and her raw talent, stage presence, and charisma is what made that possible. Many of today's current female reggae artists have emulated her style. You can see traces of Lady Saw's influence in current female DJs' raunchy lyrics and stage performances. Number 2. Lady G. Janice Fife was born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Fife began singing with the Maurice Johnson's Black Scorpio sound system, and her reputation soon spread. She is a real legend in the game. She has won DJ of the Year in 1988 to 1991, 1994, and 1998. These are award bodies such as Martins, Tamika, Rockers, Jamaica Federation of Musicians, BINS, and the Canadian Reggae Music Awards. Her more recent music are songs such as Girls Know What Guys Want, Enough, Talk to Me with Maka Diamond and the 2004 Degree Rhythm, Hungry Child, Can't Live Like We and the Gold Mine Rhythm, and Now Go Down and the Scooby Rhythm. Lady G has paved the way for female reggae artists like Lady Petra and Lady Saw. She is one of the artists who would have helped develop dancehall from its early stages to what it is today. Number 1. Lady Petra. Lady Petra, whose real name is Dorothy Simit, was born in Kingston, Jamaica. She got her stage name from the shortened version of the word Cleopatra. She gained popularity in the 1990s for her albums Queen of the Pack and Scent of Attraction. Petra's biggest hit was her cover of Grace Jones's Pull Up to the Bumper, featuring R&B musician Aaron Hall. She had a hiatus of almost a decade, but returned to music with the release of the 2003 album The Great Escape. Petra is a true legend in the genre, and one of the legendary female reggae artists. She is an innovator and paved the way for many young female reggae artists today. Do you think I left anyone off this list that deserved to be here? Comment below and let me know if you agree with my list or if you think I left out important artists. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to turn on notifications so that you receive all of my updates. And thank you for subscribing. I am Alex. Bless.